Here is a little story. I was meditating one day. Suddenly, I have this idea in mind. I guess I have to learn new language. I looked around and something appeared from nowhere. It was a very mysterious book. It was like magic. The book was so captivating. The problem was that I couldn't understand the language it was written with. So I said to myself, I have to learn this language. I searched and learned everything related to this language, which was Arabic. I learned and I learned until people started to call me the Arabian master. And the first thing that I said was لنتعلم هذه اللغة الرائعة. Hello everyone, I hope you like my poor acting skills. I'm Sabri, your teacher of Arabic, and let's have some fun. From where are we gonna start? You got it, the alphabet, Al-Abjadiyya. Arabic has 28 letters, and good news, 21 letters have their English counterparts, so they are so easy to pronounce. For example, the letter Ba in Arabic, its English counterpart is B. The letter Ta, its English counterpart is T. On the other hand, Ha, Kha, Ta, Ain, Ghain, Da, Qaf, they don't have their English counterparts. They are particular to Arabic. They all have easy shapes though, so let's go through them letter by letter. In order not to make it so complicated, let's start with the first 9 letters and try to make our first word in Arabic with them. Let's go. The first letter in Arabic is A. It is like the sound of A in apple. Example, أتكلم, speak. Let's use the technique of shadowing. It means that you repeat what I'm saying. Let's repeat. A, أتكلم, أتكلم. Good. Notice that the Arabic writing is cursive. That means that the letters are connected to each other, which means that the shape of letters can change a little bit according to their position. Initial, medial, and final. Let's have a look at the word ana, meaning I in English. Notice how the letter A differs when it comes as initial position and when it comes as a final position. So from now on, I'm gonna give you these variations of each letter: initial, medial, and final. The next letter is Ba. It's like B in English. Example, Bab, Bab, door. Next one is Ta. Its English counterpart is T. Example, Tufaha. You repeat, Tufaha, apple. Next letter is Ta. It is like Ta but with 3 dots. It is like the sound of the H in thief. Example, Thalab. You repeat, Thalab, fox. Next letter is Jim. It is like G in English. Example, Jamal. You repeat, Jamal, camel. The next letter is Ha, and this does not have an English counterpart, which may make it difficult to pronounce. Example, Tufaha. You remember? Tufaha. What is tufaha? Yes, apple. The next letter is Kha, and this also does not have an English counterpart. Example, Fakh. Repeat, Fakh, meaning trap. Notice that these letters are similar in shape, Jim, Ha, Kha. The only difference between them is the position of the dot, Jim, Ha, Kha. The next letter is Dal. It is like D in English. Example, Akhada. You repeat, Akhada, meaning take, take. The next letter is Dal. It is like the sound of the H in this. Example, ذهب, ذهب, meaning go. Now let's repeat together what we have learned so far. You repeat after me. A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dha. Now let's test your understanding. Try to pronounce this word which contains 2 letters that we have learned today. Come on. صحيح. أب, meaning father. Good job. We will continue the rest of letters in the next videos. See you soon. إلى اللقاء.